G'day guys, so today we are talking about the laying down bicep curl. What an exercise. This, because of your heart being below your arms and you bicep curling towards your forehead, when you stand up after this, your arms fill up and feel amazing. I believe it's called, now I didn't want to say this word because I'm going to get it wrong, but occlusion. Or is that I think occlusion is where you tie off your biceps. Nonetheless, you're letting gravity be a factor here, and it's a fantastic factor because when you get up, your arms feel jacked. Right, so let's talk about how we are going to execute this lift. Well, obviously the first point of call is to lay down with the barbell. Now, when you're coming down, we obviously want to be right in and under. And what we are aiming to do is be in this position here. Because the biceps go over two joints, we want to make sure that we lock up our shoulder joint in order to allow our hinge pattern to do its thing. So in order to do that, we're going to pull our shoulder blades back and down and really lock ourselves in. Our feet are just going to sit very much in line with our hips, and we're going to be pulling from here. Now there's a few things that we need to make sure that we keep in contact the entire time. Number one, back of our head on the ground. Number two, shoulder blades back and down on the ground. And number three is our hips. Potentially we'll even throw in the next one, number four, with our legs. Although if you're kicking your legs around, you probably lost a little bit anyway. Right, so from here, my hands or my arms want to be slightly tilted back. We don't want to be coming to our nose. We're going to come to the top of our forehead. So we're going to be coming down, or actually that's a lie. We'll go towards the nose joint, but we want these elbows tilted back so that we can come all the way back down, okay? When we tilt them slightly back, you're going to keep that tension through that bicep. Think a reverse tricep extension, but this time we're bringing the weight down to our forehead. Okay, next, line of pull. We want to make sure that our shoulder, elbow, and wrist are all in a line when we are doing this exercise. So my hand's going to be up, coming down to my forehead, squeezing hard to the biceps, control the negative, up, control the negative, up. Now my cue for this is that you must hit your forehead when you do this exercise. So hopefully I've chosen the right weight. I hope I have, I think I have, okay. We're going to lay down and get ourselves into position, very, very much so that it's not a glamorous start, but it's a fantastic finish. Okay, so my hand position, I'm looking to create nice straight arms, okay? Pulling my shoulder blades back and down, my head firmly on the ground, and so on my feet and my hips. From here, coming down to my forehead, pause, and up, pause, and up. Okay, and this is how you want to go about doing your laying bicep curls. Now you can see that once fatigue starts to set in, I'm not getting all the way down to my forehead. So it's on you to get that last little bit. And over time, that last little bit will become the absolute killer, and you'll want to raise your head towards the bar. You want to avoid that. So coming down, squeezing hard. Coming down, squeezing hard. Okay? Oh, and probably lower the thing. 3, 2, 1. My bad. Right. After, when you stand back up, all the blood is going to rush to your biceps, and your biceps are going to feel huge. Holy moly, look at the flexibility. Didn't know I had that. Okay, so that there, team, is how you want to go about doing your laying down bicep curls.